Hi guys, this is Miss Jennifer from the St. George Library in St. George, and I am here to show you our January to-go take-home craft. This month our craft is all about gravity, and you're going to be building a zip line. So in your kit you'll find an instruction sheet with step-by-step instructions. You'll also have 4 pipe cleaners that are already kind of bent in half for you because you're going to need to bend them in half. You'll also have some string. You're going to need that. That's your zip line. You're going to have 2 of these clear plastic bobbins and 2 cups that have already had holes punched on both sides. So the first thing you're going to do when you get your kit home is you're going to probably want to decorate your cup. I just decorated mine really quickly just for our video, but you can see I have my 2 holes on either side, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my craft stems, my pipe cleaner that's already bent in half, and I'm going to take one end and hook it through a hole on one side and just kind of wrap it around a little bit, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and wrap it around so that I've made kind of like a little bucket. Now I'm going to take another one of those pipe cleaner and bend it all the way in half, and I'm going to hook my bucket with that. And I'm going to take these 2 ends together, and this is where you need that little clear plastic bobbin, and there's a big hole down the center of it, so you're going to stick those through that hole. And then this is just a pro tip: if you push the ends in opposite directions, it won't slide out. And then bend that other end just like that. So that's pretty much it. Now it's time to have fun with it. So I'm going to call my friends, Miss Michaela and Miss Elizabeth, to come over here. And I'm going to hand them this string. There you go. Now you can tie your string, or you can have volunteers hold it like I do, but you want to make sure that you do it on an angle going downwards so that your bucket, your zip line, will go down the zip line. And here we go. We're going to hook the bobbin onto the string, and 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Your kit is going to come with enough materials to make 2, so you could actually race these. You can try adding weights inside to see if that affects how fast or how slow your bucket goes down. And one last thing, on the back of your instruction sheet you have a book list. You can check out some of the great books that we have here at our library on gravity. Have fun!